So this is the finalized version. All done. Well, not completely done, but it's drivable. Took all the fenders off, running boards, moved the engine transmission back 15 inches. The two exhaust ports right there in the middle used to come right here, right in the dead middle of the tire. Can't really see, but that's where the engine mount used to be. Now it is back here. Don't have no alignment issues of the drivetrain at all. Redid the dash. On new gauges. Moved my fuse box into the glove box. Cut half of an ammo can in half. Welded it in there. Used to be up underneath the dash. I could barely reach it. Completely gutted out the floor. Whole new floor. This heat shielding works excellent. Gotta have my tunes. And my CD player right there. Center channel from home stereo. Works good enough. Couple of tweeters. And one there. One there. You can barely hear it over the engine, but it's better than nothing. Here's where my battery's at, right here inside this ammo can. Just like that. Fits in there perfectly. And it is vented out of the cab. Got my handy dandy fire extinguisher. People always ask, why do you got that for? And it's just common sense. Every vehicle should really have one. It's not that I'm confident in my abilities to build something without it catching on fire, but you never know. 2 ammo cans. Cut the tops off them, put hinges on them. Excellent storage. The original parts of the bed are each of the corner stakes and the top portion right here. All new panel on the back and sides. This wood piece right here. The bed used to be a lot longer. Used to lift up. Now it's just here for looks. Looks better than empty spacing. Same gas tank I've always used. Primarily for a boat gas tank, but it works just as good. And it also was channeled another 3 inches. A lot of people, traditionalists, don't like when you do fenderless vehicles with IFS on the front. Well, I done it. And I don't think it looks like shit as much as a lot of them you see. I could have spent $1,000 and installed me one of those handy dandy little rack and pinions just to get rid of that past that front fucking Jeep grill. Nope, wasn't gonna do that. Well, I'm sure there's a lot more I could talk about. There's my AC vent right inside there. Oh yeah, 255 60 15 on the front, 275 60 15 on the rear. Before the original, well not original, but how I had built up last summer, I was still using the S10 steering column with only 195 65/15s, and those were harder to steer than these ones. It was primarily because I moved all that engine weight back behind the center line of the front wheels. And I got new handy dandy $80 piece U-joints. And it steers better than it ever has before. Still got a couple things left over to do. Like the floor is not completely entirely finished yet. See that hole right there, but because hey, once I got it to where it was driving, damn near said, to hell with everything else. I'm gonna start driving this thing. That's my big old fuel filter. You probably can't see a whole lot underneath. Shitty ass camera. Well, it's got an 8.5 inch 10 bolt out of a mid-70s Camaro. It's on its last leg though. Don't know whether I want to get it rebuilt or put in an Explorer rear end in it. It's almost a direct swap in for an S10 axle. Got my nice little power stick mufflers. Fucking love those things. See the remnants of the Caltrax. Kinda iffy. Put them on, they're rough as fuck. Clanging. But if you just clamp the leaf springs, works pretty good. I haven't gotten a wheel hop yet. Well, that's about it for now. Happy 4th of July.